Oh, hello, YouTubers. Brian here, and along with
Hi, everybody.
Miss Rebecca there, and we're cooking dinner. What are we cooking, Rebecca?
Well, I'm cooking chicken strips, which has already been pre-cooked, and my baby helped me cut some onion and garlic. Garlic. I'm also using onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of garlic powder. And we're having corn and peas, and I'm mixing them all together. And we're also having the little lemon juice. So if Brian would please bring the lemon juice.
I will bring the lemon juice, and I will go ahead and start opening the peas and corn. Okay, pour it.
Pour it in the circle. Thank you, baby.
And
Now that's going to get tossed around.
so the next thing we're going to be doing is the peas. So the peas goes in a small pan. Dang, I hate these tabs with a purple passion.
Just so you know, I really appreciate my baby helping me cook this dinner for us for tonight. And since I'm using a green bag and the chicken's already pre-cooked and everything, so I'm just letting you guys know. I have my own YouTube channel. You can follow me on that. I will post different things if you want us to do like a food challenge.
Hold this phone.
Or anything.
Stick your hand through there.
I got it. If you want,
This is the tabs I hate so much. I don't recommend buy these things with the tab, full tab.
the corn is gonna go in here. The piece is gonna go in there.
Okay, I recommend to get a can peas like that with the opening can opener instead of a pull tab, because pull tabs are a pain in the butt. Because I said that because it's hard and people should never buy these things. I hate them with a purple passion.
You can't really say that. Just so everybody knows out there, I've been doing this for a few days, and I'm doing this with my hubby over there, and I really appreciate his help for today, helping us make dinner and stuff. So, what do you want to say, baby?
Back up just a little bit. Let me get through to the can opener. So if you bring the camera around, oh, you gotta plug it in. Duh. So yeah, this is why I like the can opener a lot better than the pull tabs, because pull tabs are a pain in the neck. Because I say that because this is a lot easier and much better on live, because that way you don't have to break a finger. And but most people are like, yeah, but if you use these type of cans, you'll get yourself cut on these. Well, if you do, be very careful and not to cut yourself, and that's what you will do. And
I love my baby. He knows it.
so that's why I don't like pull tabs with a passion.
So we're gonna turn these on low.
Okay. Sorry for my girl. Has shaky hands. Bless her heart. I feel sorry for her. And
We're gonna put these on 3, so that way they don't burn.
let me get a different spoon for those. I like the bigger spoons a lot better because
And we're also gonna be taking pictures of our dinner and sending them to my dad so we can tell me what he thinks. Because I want his
So-
opinion, because his opinion counts too.
Yeah. And if y'all like chicken and rice, Miss Rebecca can make a good chicken and rice.
That is true, I can. With a little help.
With a little help, exactly. And, but what makes good with chicken rice? Soy sauce. And so, but,
Oh, I just had an idea.
what?
I'm gonna take these things and put them away. The Worcestershire sauce goes back in here. That goes back. That goes back.
And if you like, you could put Worcestershire sauce on one half and then put the other half soy sauce.
I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test and put a few drops.
Do not put too much soy sauce. It is so salty. Do not do that, folks. Ever. Stay healthy. Stay alive.
Yeah, because you don't know what you're gonna get into every now and then.
That's right. And I'm going to stir this corn and the peas as well.
Because you don't want those to burn.
If you burn vegetables, you are trouble. So always stir them every once in a while. Just don't let it sit there and let it cook and sizzle like that. Otherwise, you burn them. That looks real good, baby. Let's get ahead and get some plates out.
These are not quite done yet.
Yeah, I know. I was going to get them out anyway. We'll use these.
And put them over here.
And we do have the show, the device show. We can't say its name because he will respond to us. And but how it works? Echo, tell me a joke.
What fish tastes the best with peanut butter? Jellyfish.
So that is the Echo. And we have our own Alexa thing in our bedroom. And so I do have an Alexa app on my phone. But I'm going to wait until my father-in-law gets home and I'll get myself connected up since he gets home. Echo, tell me another joke.
Why can't summer and winter vacation together? Because summer is always looking for a hot time, but winter just wants to chill.
Temperature thing?
Yeah.
You got me. I don't even see
Oh, I
it.
see it. Back in here. I need to check the chicken.
And by the way, folks, we also do have some delicious, healthy plants. This is our garden. We grow like tomatoes and etc. etc. So yeah. Give it a little bit of water. I need to water those tomorrow. So yeah. Miss Rebecca looks so cute in her pink shorts. She looks like a little princess.
I'm sorry that.
So
Some of these are almost done, but some of them are not quite done.
yeah. So we will go ahead and hop off here, and we will give you the update video and let you guys know what we think. We'll talk to you guys later.
Bye, everybody.